Okay, so finally got that terminal off, and that's what happened. Junk. So we got the new one here. Die Hard brand. As you see, it's a match. So what I did is I removed the screw, and there's a nut on the end. You gotta put the nut in and loosen her up, and we're gonna put her on here. So let me get this all set up, and I'll bring you guys right back. Alright, so got her installed. Now to keep her all the same, I'm using the nut and the bolt that came off the old one, because this is a 1/2 inch and this is a 1/2 inch, and instead of running around for a 12mm, which the other one was, I just swapped them out. So we'll install them right here, like so. I really don't like the way that sits, but that's the way it goes. Now, just lock her down here. Where did I put that one? Here it is. Here it is. A little more. Alright, there we go. That's installed. Now, let's fire it up, see what happens. Yep. Whoops. Wait a minute here. Hold on. Alright guys, here we go. There you go, lads. That was the culprit right there why it wouldn't start. Got a new filter in there, new terminal, everything's great. Alright guys, that's it. Later.